Greetings and welcome, friends. Mr. Wada here. We're talking about page 212. We were talking about dilations yesterday. Good times, good times. In fact, scale factor was another word of things and definitions of math that we mentioned. It happened, and then we knew it. There you go. Let's do some problems, though. It says find the scale factor of the dilation, tell whether it is a reduction or enlargement. So to go from P to P prime, right? Because that's the direction, the pre-image versus the image. What we would do, it looks like it's getting smaller, friends. So I'm going to call this a reduction. There we go. And to figure out the scale factor K, what would I do, guys? It's all about the P prime compared to the P, right? So it's 6/14. And that makes sense because if it's a reduction, this should be a number that is less than 1 and bigger than 0. Yeah. So you can kind of think about it that way. I can reduce this with my red pen, and 2 goes into both of those, into 6 thrice and into 14 3/7. A 3-to-7 ratio is the scale factor, and it was a reduction. This one going from P to P prime looks like it got bigger, so it's a biduction, enlargement. To find the value of K, let's take the 24 over the 9, maybe? Yeah, it's not that bad, right? Man, you could have come to school like sick and learned that with your eyes half closed, right? It would have been great. Let's see. Oh, I can reduce that. 3 goes into 24 8 times and into 9 3 times. So it looks like a ratio of 8:3. Yeah? Yeah. How would I, what question? Yeah?
Make it look bigger if you were trying to draw it out. If you were doing the opposite, you have the
Oh, maybe, no, never mind. I thought it would be super cool if suddenly like the next problem did exactly what you're talking about. That will be kind of like this problem. So we'll do one of those if I know the points and have the shape, but I want to move it by a scale factor. But guys, check this out. Let's do some construction. Here we go. It says use a compass and straight edge to construct a dilation of triangle LMN with the given center and scale factor K. So here's the center of dilation is C, and here's my triangle, my triangulace. Let's see, I'm going to draw some lines from CM, the line CM. Let's see, I think I'll use this light blue today. Oh, wonderful. Man, I'm sad the button on my light blue lagoon-colored shirt broke. My wife said she's going to fix it at some point, but I don't know if we even have a sewing kit and whether or not she has that skill. But YouTube will show her how, right? I guess I could too, but she said she was going to do it. But yeah, this problem is being done in memory of my lagoon-colored shirt and the button that it lost. Man. Let's see. If I switch to this, yeah, okay, cool. All right, and I'll use orange. So check this out. So here's my compass tool. So I'd set up the compass at center C, right? And then I'd scale this up so that it passes through M. Nope, that was a miss. All right, so notice that tick mark right there. And now watch this move, ready? Move that there.
Oh my God.
Yeah? You like that? Let's see. Yeah, so I can tick mark that out like so. And let's see, let's do another one for through I gotta.
I know.
No, but if you think about your compass, you're setting one point here, right? And then the other point there, and it's a circle generating tool. So even though you don't see a circle the whole time, that is the way that it's working.
Do our homework on this.
I don't know.
It's about 764.
Yeah.
That's a very exact number.
Here we go. Let's see, and then let's find n here. Will I have enough room for n? No, let me. Man, it's. Oh dear. Oh dear, guys. All right, nope, that was a miss. Pretend it was awesome though. We can pretend it was awesome. Ah, man, so sad. Do you see how sad that was? That was just really sad. Here we go. That'll do. That'll do. All right, so there's my n right there, and then I can scale it up like so. Yeah. Let's see. What should I connect?
Oh.
All of them? Connect the dots. Yeah, so if I double the length, right, that should work out, I think. Let's see. I don't know, guys. I should have looked this up. No?
Wait, are you officially on this? Wait, then you have to connect down, back up, look at that. There's no third one for the second one.
Yeah, I didn't end up. Yeah, yeah, you're right. Well, I only ended up needing, so if this was some x length, then this was 2x. This would have been 3x, right? So like depending on what my scale factor is, the more tick marks I make, the bigger I could scale it up. So I ended up only choosing one extra jump of that length, right? Because this was congruent to this, and this was congruent to that, and this was congruent to that. No? Oh, yeah. Yeah, this one was congruent to this one. Thank you. With the save. So if I wanted to do a scale factor of 3, I would have done 3 tick marks out, but I only wanted 2, so that's why I did 2 out. And yeah, so Isaiah, right? If I put a third one out there, I could have jumped it up, scaled it up, and notice that this would have been, what is this? M prime. This would have been L prime, and this is N prime, and this length is in fact going to be twice that length. Now, what about the area of this big purple triangle? It's 4 times as big as the other one. Good stuff, good stuff. All right, let's talk about 17. It says, graph the polygon and its image after a dilation of scale factor k. All right, let's graph the original 9, -3. So over 9, down 3. Right there. So there's my T, Mr. T. You are at 6, 0, U right there. V is at 3, 9, over 3, up 9. Right there. Man, this is like going to be a weird skinny shape. And then 0, 0. Wait a minute. Is this like... This is going to be a weird shape. It's like an indented concave quadrilateral. Is that what this is? Anyone else get that? It looks like it's dented. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Yeah, looks like one of those, huh? That thing is concave. Did we define concave in this class already, right? No? I feel like we did. So let's see. So if I want to scale factor this by 2/3, question, reduction or enlargement? Reduction, yes. And if I want to find T prime, I could take 2/3 and multiply it by its x coordinate and 2/3 and multiply by its y coordinate, because that's how scale factors work. And so let's see, 2/3 times 9, 9 divided by 3 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6. I think they conveniently all gave us things that were divisible by 3. 2/3 times -3 and 3 cancel out to be -1 times 2 is -2. And let's see, let's plot this point. So 6, -2, so over 6 down 2. This is my new t prime right there. All right, and that will actually be 2/3 of the way to where t was originally. Can you believe it? Everything's going to be 2/3. Let's see, what's this one going to be? I bet this one's going to land right here for v prime. And for u, what's 2/3 of that? 6 units away. It's going to be at 4. 4 is 2/3 of 6 for u prime. And then this point right here was what? That was w prime. Dub prime. And good stuff. Here we go. Oh, what? I still had it aimed at the wrong t. Oh man, now it's all gone. Right, and so my new image is going to be 2/3 the size linearly. Oh, that's an interesting question. What is its area compared to the other one? Less. Okay. So scale factor is 2/3. Ratio of areas. Oh, someone with it, right? So 2/3 squared. That's going to be 4/9. You almost had me with you there for a second. 4/9 the area for this guy compared to the original. All right, someone catch the error on 23? Yeah, this was supposed to be a reduction, so when you find the k, it should have been 3 to 12, not 12 to 3. So the k, the scale factor was 1/4. I like that little loop on the k there. That's pretty sweet. Yeah, I like that. I should create my own custom font using my writing tablet.
And the other one's like a V with an extra little button on it.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm terrible. Usually my 5s are the worst. They evolve into eventually becoming like a pirate hook coming out of a sleeve. I don't know. That's what I imagine. Let's see, question 25. The red figure is the image of the blue figure after a dilation with center C. All right, makes sense. Find the scale factor of the dilation. So let's see. If the red figure is the image, then the scale factor would be 15/9. Look at, oh, that almost did the pirate hook out of the sleeve thing right there. It's just the way it works. 3 goes into 15 5 times and into 9 thrice. So the scale factor is 5 to 3. Yep. So there's my scale factor. It says, then find the value of the variable. What? Now, guys, check this out. I would expect that x, let's see, x is the, yeah. Now, I would expect, there's a couple ways I could do this. X was the length to the pre-image. So 5/3 times x should equal 35. That's one way you could set it up. Or, I think this is the way that makes more sense. We could use proportions. Anybody? Anybody? I could have said x is to 35 as 9 is to 15. Yeah? Yes? Yes? Yes. So yeah. So you could have, wait, why did I have 3 here? Oh, because I reduced that. Okay. So yeah, I could do the scale factor times x is equal to 35. Or I could have set up a proportion comparing those two things. Does anyone know how to solve a proportion?
I don't like cross multiplication.
cross multiply. I like
You
it.
said that.
Yeah, you said it. You said it. Let's see. Let's reduce 9/15. That would have been x is to 35 is 3 is to 5. Cross multiplicado, friends. 5 times x and 3 times 35. This sounds like this is math a little bit outside of my capacity here. 3 times 30 is 90 plus 3 times 5 is 15, so 105. Divide both sides by 5. Did anyone solve this, by the way? Or did you look up the answer? 5 goes into 120 times. I could fit one more 5. Let's call it 21. Good stuff. Good stuff. All right, I think that's all I did. Yeah, that's all I did. All right, thanks for watching, Internet friends. Have a great day.